Are you looking for a challenge to help you use more video? If so, I want you to stay tuned because I'm going to share with you the challenge I'm doing in February of 2022, but you could do this anytime. Before we get started, I want to invite you to grab my video visibility power pack. This is going to help you film multiple videos in 1 hour, as well as give you lots of tips to help make them more professional. And I want to go ahead and invite you to grab that for free at the link down below. My name is Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I own FDS Creatives. I help business owners get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing, and I'm so glad you're here. I hope you will subscribe. I'd love to be a cozy spot in your inbox. And as always, if you like content that helps you grow your business, go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Today, I'm talking about a challenge that I'm doing for the month of February, and that challenge is the 100 video challenge. Now, you'll see some of these squares are already colored. Yes, I am coloring squares to keep track, and I will provide a link below if you'd like to download this and kind of keep track of your 100 videos. But here's what I want to tell you about this. While I'm doing 100 videos in the month of February to really grow my brand awareness, if you're not aware, video is highly ranked on every single platform. It has the highest conversion, the highest rate of sales, as well as the fastest way to grow your like, know, and trust factor. And every platform is preferring video and pushing video out. So it's the fastest way to grow any social platform organically. I share that with you because I want you to know video is worth it. Okay. But if you're hearing me say 100 videos and you haven't yet made your first, or maybe you've made a couple, but you don't feel really confident, I want you to know that there is no timeline associated to this 100 video challenge. Okay. Well, I'm doing it in 1 month. If you want to do this as a quarterly goal, or you want to set this in a different time frame, any video that you do is going to help your business. And more consistent video is absolutely going to grow your business. So the reason I'm doing 100 videos in the month of February is it's pushing me to put out more quality, valuable content in this month. And those videos are going to be here on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and LinkedIn. But you absolutely can put the videos any place that you would like. And maybe there's a certain platform where you feel like you could really shine. Maybe you're posting already, like on LinkedIn or on Instagram, and you'd like to just take it to the next level. Video is going to be the best way to do that. Now, here's what I want to tell you. If you are not used to making videos, I want you to know that your videos don't have to be perfect. You want to have a really good hook, really clear value, and a really good call to action. That's going to make sure that your videos are ones that help your business. And as always, if you are looking for help, you can join my free group, Video Marketing for Entrepreneurs with FDS Creatives, over on Facebook. I would love to have you there so I can help you really use video to grow your business. I'd love to hear in the comments below, where are you going to show up on video this month or this quarter? Again, video is the best way to grow your business, and I'd love to help you. And if you're somebody who has not yet made a video, I want you to watch the video that's on the screen, what to say in your first or next YouTube video. If I was to give you any advice of what platforms to be on, YouTube is a long game strategy, but the best thing I've ever done for my business. So I would say start now, and the other place would be TikTok. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.